Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Metamask. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Bitget web account, which of course I have done right here, or the Bitget rather. So how do you create a Bitget account? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type bitget.com. It's going to take you to the official website for Bitget. Once again, to the website, fill through the on-screen prompt to sign up. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a little features to have an exciting time in Bitget. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's stats, which is how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Metamask. From your homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find this couple icons. So the first icon after the magnifying lens, you're going to see this option that has total asset value. So you have deposit, withdraw, and transfer. So go ahead and click on withdraw. And it's going to take you to the withdrawal window. It's coming up. So we're here. Now, I would like you to head over to your Metamask wallet. Once again, to your Metamask wallet or your homepage, go ahead and locate the deposit option. Once you click on deposit option, you're going to find a couple tokens, crypto tokens. Now go ahead and select the token or the coin that you want to make this transaction on. Let's say, for example, USDT, which is the core of this tutorial. Now, once you click on deposit in your Metamask, select USDT. Once you select USDT, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to get your QR code and you're going to get the wallet address for that USDT. Go ahead and copy the wallet address from the Metamask for USDT. Now, once you copy it, head over here to Bitget. In this select a coin option, select USDT. Now, once you do that, scroll all the way down to select network. So you have to select the network for the USDT. Ensure that it is the same network in your Metamask. Now, after selecting the network, and click on this drop-down menu to select the network. After selecting the network, ensure it's accurate. Head over to withdraw address, and in this communications tab, go ahead and paste the wallet address for USDT that you copied in your Metamask. Paste it here. Now, once you paste it here, click on next. Now, after clicking on next, you'll be asked to verify your withdrawal details. Now, once you verify the withdrawal details, proceed to confirm and initiate USDT withdrawal from Bitget to Metamask. Now, follow any additional security steps or verification processes required by Bitget to complete the withdrawal. That's just all you need. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.